Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sonia, a self-taught designer, hand letterer, and illustrator. Here on YouTube, I love to share all my tips and tricks of becoming a self-taught designer. If you're interested in learning from me, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of these videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a signature style stamp in Procreate 5. Honestly, I already made this tutorial like a month ago. It is this video right here, but quickly after I released the video, Procreate has came out with their most updated version, Procreate 5. In terms of creating the signature stamp, the concept is still the same, but the interface has changed a little bit and few people have been asking me about that. So I thought it would be a good idea to do a quick updated video. So again, this video is gonna be a quick update to this video. I'll make sure it is just super quick, just step-by-step process, so keep on watching. Okay, so step one, write down your signature or your Instagram handle and you're just gonna save it. So go to this toolbar and then you're gonna go to share and then JPEG. So you're gonna just save the image. So once you're done, I'm just gonna turn this off. You're gonna go ahead and go to the brush section right here next to the brush library. I'm gonna click on this plus sign where you could add a new brush. So here we're gonna go to shape and then next to shape source, we're gonna click on edit and import the photo that you just saved. So I have it right here. Okay, from here, you're gonna use two fingers, click on it. So you're gonna invert it. Done. Go to grain, make sure it's blank. You go to next to grain source, go to edit, and then import source library, make sure that's blank, and that's done. Now the next thing you're gonna do is go to properties, and then here we're gonna turn on use stamp preview, like that. You can always test it. It's very small, so here you can increase the size. So the maximum size, I don't know, 900? Let's try that. Okay, it could be bigger. Something like this. Okay. And then let's try it. Oops. I'm gonna go ahead and create another layer. Oh, I made it too big. So you can go back here, click on it, and then I think the size, adjust it to 700%, something like that. Test it. Okay, that looks good. You could either use that, make it small, or if you want it to be actual size, you can just go ahead and edit the size even more. Something like this. Oh, that looks good. That's all I have for you today. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. This is one of the best ways to support me as an artist. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.